I'm doing an unboxing video today with a company called Everdine. Everdine got in touch with me and asked me if I'd like to review some of their meals. They do home-cooked, wholesome, clean meals which are delivered frozen, and you just need to pop them in the microwave or in the oven and you've got a lovely meal. So they've sent me some to try and I'm going to have a look at what's in my box. Delivered today by courier. They came exactly when they said they would, which is a good It's all very nicely wrapped up. Everything's recyclable apparently. Got some ice packs. So I've got tandoori salmon with red lentil dal. Comes all in recyclable packaging, as you can see. I think I might have to get a bigger freezer. Slow cooked beef and beetroot bourguignon. Barbecue pulled pork with Boston beans. Coconut katsu chicken. Moroccan chicken tagine. Paneer and sweet potato kofta biryani. Jerk chicken with pineapple salsa. And lentil and quinoa moussaka. I did actually choose these, so there's a whole list of dishes on the website and you can choose vegetarian options or you can choose the meaty options, and I've chosen a mixture. And I will be posting my review once I start eating them, which I'm very much looking forward to.